And today's video, we're going to try a Dairy Queen ice cream. So, Teria's ice cream is Oreo and mine is strawberry ice cream. So, look. Wow, look at Teria's! So, are you excited to try your ice cream? It's sticky. So now we're going to try now. Are you excited? Are you excited? So Terius is very excited to try. Look at Terius. Wow, what do you have? Oreo ice cream. You want to try mine? Wow, look at. Wow, it's a magic. Look at. Wow. So sticky. Try mine. Yeah. Let me try yours then. We will like that. Okay. Give me some. Okay. And like that. One, two, three. Yummy. Wow. Look at. Look at, it's magic. Where's the ice cream, Terius? Ta-da! Very sticky, no?
Ice cream.
Magic!
Favorite.
Orange.
Not strawberry siya. What's ang flavor?
Oreo. Mine is strawberry. It's yummy. Now I have another ice cream. So Terius have another ice cream. Look at. Wow.
Because I ate this first. Wow.
Oreo.
Okay.
What do you like, Oreo or strawberry? What do you like the most? What do you like the most? Whip? You like that? You like that the most? I love the strawberry. I like mine. I like this. This is amazing. Show to them how you're going to eat. I-show nila, i-show.
Mama siya. Unit siya, mama. Ay, na siya.
I like their ice cream.
Katong pagbata ako masa. Yung anak-anak ko mo sa zoo. Sa. Yum.
You like this? You like this?
Ay, hindi mo ito bata. This. May ice cream na dako.
Show to them how you're going to react. So let's see Terius' reaction.
Oreo.
You know what? I can say that the Dairy Queen ice cream is really delicious. Sticky ice cream and of course perfect.
The ice cream is so yummy.
Really? Mine is better than that. I like the strawberry one. Which is the best, the Oreo or the strawberry?
Oreo.
No!
No! Strawberry na na!
Yes. I agree with Darius. The Oreo is delicious as well, and of course the strawberry ice cream. Yeah, dali. Okay. One, you feed me and I will feed you. Feed me first. Feed me. Okay, go. Ay, let's do it together. We will feed each other. Yummy.
Sagot ka na.
Sige. Feed me, feed. No. We're not going to mix that one. Okay, feed me and I'll feed you. Oh, it's too small. Feed me like that. It's so yummy. Uy, it's alright. This is mine.
It's against this one because it's yummy.
Let's see. Hello. Wow. That's it, everybody. Let's eat. Wow. Yummy.
Tak, 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 tak. Magkaroon pa kung inanidagan na.
You want to eat that one a lot? More and more?
100 million pesos.
100 million pesos? Or 100? Or 1,000 times?
1,000 million.
Yummy? Let me try that. Let's try. Wow! I want to try again. Give me some. One more. Last one. Last one. It's so yummy also.
Competition, Mari.
This is not a competition. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. You like the ice cream? And now we are done eating our ice cream, everyone. And if you want to try the Dairy Queen, please don't forget to visit the Ayala Mall 3rd floor. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Everything Evelyn Vlog. Goodbye!